Just imagine stepping inside a television factory and you feel the buzz of activity all around you. The air smells faintly of electronics and new plastic. Workers move carefully in cleanroom suits, ensuring the delicate parts stay free from dust and damage. Bright lights shine down on long assembly lines where screens and components come together piece by piece. It's a place where technology and skill meet to create something millions of people use every day. Televisions are more than just screens. They're windows to the world. They bring families together, deliver news from across the globe, and provide endless entertainment. For many, a TV is at the heart of the home, a trusted companion that connects us to stories, friends, and cultures far and wide. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making a television? How do pieces of glass, metal, and tiny electronic parts come together to create the vivid image and rich sounds we take for granted? Idiots. It's a complex process, involving countless steps and quality checks to make sure every TV works perfectly. Today, we'll walk you through the factory where televisions are made, from the raw materials arriving on the floor to the final testing and packaging. You'll see how technology, craftsmanship, and teamwork combine to build these amazing devices. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Also, make sure to hit that like button and share this video so it can go viral and many people can learn. So, what does it really take to transform glass and circuits into a vibrant television? Let's find out. Televisions have come a long way since the early days. The first TVs were bulky, heavy boxes with black and white screens powered by cathode ray tubes, or CRTs. These sets took up a lot of space and used a lot of electricity. Watching TV was a very different experience back then. Images were less sharp, and the picture was limited to just shades of gray. As technology advanced, so did the television. The real game changer came with flat panel displays like LCD, LED, and OLED screens. These new technologies transformed TVs into slim, lightweight devices that could deliver bright, vibrant colors with incredible clarity. They use less power, last longer, and give us a viewing experience that's sharper and more immersive than ever before. Behind every modern TV is a blend of cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship. Factories today combine advanced machines with expert hands to build televisions that meet high standards of quality and reliability. Each TV you see in stores is the result of years of innovation and attention to detail. But how exactly do these technologies come together on the factory floor? Let's take a closer look at the materials and process involved in making today's televisions. The heart of every modern television is its display panel. This starts with ultra-clear glass sheets, which are carefully cleaned in sterile cleanrooms to keep them free from dust and imperfections. Any tiny speck could cause distortions on the screen, so cleanliness is crucial. Once the glass is spotless, layers of liquid crystals are applied between two glass sheets. These crystals control how light passes through the screen, creating the images you see. Electrodes are added to help control the crystals, turning pixels on and off rapidly to form pictures. Next comes the application of polarizing filters. These filters help manage the light waves, enhancing the clarity and brightness of the image. Finally, the panel is coated with RGB color filters, red, green, and blue, which combine to produce the full spectrum of colors on your TV screen. Each step requires incredible accuracy. If any layer is uneven or misaligned, it can lead to blurred or distorted images. That's why these processes take place in highly controlled environments with machines and technicians working in perfect harmony. Now that the display panel is ready, it's time to move on to the next step. How do you think the electronics and the TV components will be assembled? Keep watching because this step will really surprise you. Once the display panel is ready, it's time to bring the television to life by assembling the circuit boards. These boards hold the microchips, capacitors, processors, and other tiny components that control everything from video and sound to the backlight and connectivity options. Robotic machines handle much of the assembly with incredible speed and accuracy. They place each component in its exact spot and use soldering tools to attach them securely. This automated process helps ensure every circuit board works perfectly and meets strict quality standards. The circuit boards are the brains of the television. They manage how images and sounds are processed and displayed, control the screen's brightness, and connect to external devices like streaming boxes, gaming consoles, and the internet. Technicians inspected the assembled boards to make sure everything is in place and working. If any defects are found, the boards are repaired or replaced to keep the final TV running smoothly. With the circuit boards assembled, it's ready for the next step. How does the display panels and other necessary components get integrated? Just stay connected because what seems like magic is ready to be unfolded. Next, the television's backlight system is assembled. This system uses LEDs placed either behind the display panel or along its edges to shine light through the liquid crystals. The backlight is essential. It brightens the screen and helps create vivid images that you see in your favorite shows and movies. Once the backlight is in place, the display panel is carefully mounted into a lightweight but sturdy frame. This frame protects the delicate screen and electronics inside while keeping the TV slim and sleek. The frame is built to handle everyday use, from being moved around the room to sitting safely on a stand or hanging on a wall. The combination of a strong frame and an efficient backlight system ensures the TV delivers clear, bright images without adding unnecessary bulk. This balance is what makes modern TVs both beautiful and practical. After the frame and backlight are secured, the TV moves on to the final assembly stages, where all the parts come together to form the complete device. This stage is so important and something you should not miss. With the frame and backlight ready, the next step is connecting all the essential parts to bring the television to life. The display panel is linked to the circuit boards using thin, flexible ribbon cables. These cables carry the data and power needed to control the images on the screen. Next, speakers are attached to the frame, ensuring clear sound to match the vivid picture. The power supply is connected, giving the TV the electricity it needs to function. Various ports, like HDMI, USB, and Ethernet, are installed so you can easily connect other devices. Tuners are also added, allowing the TV to receive broadcast signals. This step is where the television transforms from a collection of parts into a fully working device. Skilled technicians and machines work side by side to make sure every connection is secure and functioning perfectly. Testing happens throughout and to catch any issues early. Once all components are integrated, the TV is ready for the next stage. This stage is where the computer gets its functional brain. Just keep watching to see. After all the hardware is assembled, the television needs its brains, the software. Technicians load the operating system and firmware that power the smart features of the TV. This software allows the TV to connect to the internet, run apps, and respond to your commands with ease. Once the software is installed, it's time to calibrate the TV's display and sound. Experts adjust the colors to make sure they're vibrant but natural, giving you sharp and true-to-life images. Brightness settings are fine-tuned to work well in any lighting, from a bright living room to a cozy dark room. The audio is also carefully adjusted. The speakers are calibrated to deliver clear dialogue, rich music, and immersive sound effects. This step ensures your viewing experience is enjoyable and balanced. Calibration is critical because it brings out the best in the TV's hardware and software working together. It's the final touch before the television is ready to be shipped to your home, promising a high-quality experience right out of the box. But after this, what do you think it's next? Stay tuned to find out. Before a television leaves the factory, it goes through thorough quality checks to make sure it performs perfectly. Automated machines scan the screen for dead pixels, tiny spots that don't light up, and check color accuracy, making sure every hue looks just right. They also test brightness uniformity so the picture is evenly lit across the entire screen. Sound is put to the test too. The TV's audio is checked across different frequencies to ensure clear dialogue, crisp highs, and deep bass. This guarantees that what you hear matches the stunning images on screen. The TV also faces stress tests to make sure it can handle real-life conditions. It's exposed to heat, vibration, and even drop simulations to see how well it holds up during shipping and daily use. Only units that pass these tests receive a quality certification confirming they meet high standards for reliability and performance. This careful testing process ensures that when you bring a new TV home, it's ready to deliver a great viewing experience for years to come. After passing all the quality tests, the television moves to the packaging stage. Here, the TV is carefully placed in protective foam and sturdy boxes to keep it safe during transit. These materials shield the screen and fragile components from shocks, vibrations, and bumps that might happen while shipping. Along with the TV, accessories like the remote control, power cables, and user manuals are added. These extras ensure you have everything you need to set up and enjoy your new television right away. The packaged TVs are then prepared for shipment to stores and homes around the world. Whether they travel by truck, ship, or plane, the packaging is designed to keep the TVs secure and in perfect condition. This careful preparation guarantees that when your TV arrives, it's as flawless as when it left the factory, ready to bring your favorite shows, games, and movies to life. And there you have it, the fascinating process behind every television you watch. From raw glass to the final packaged product, every step combines technology, skill, and care to bring your favorite shows and games to life. Next time you turn on your TV, take a moment to appreciate the journey it went through to get to your living room. It's more than just a screen. It's the result of countless hours of work and innovation. Before you go, if this video has been helpful, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with people you know. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our next videos. Now, it's approaching time to engage. Do you really enjoy this video? What is the step in this process that surprised you? Do you have any product or item you would love to see next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and enjoy your tech.